Hey guys, just wanted to shoot this quick video for you. I don't normally post videos on Saturdays or on the weekends, but I just wanted to kind of go into AppSumo real quick and look at some of the apps. I get a lot of requests for the software reviews or the products that I'm going to review next. And if you come over here and you go to software, let's just go look at what they currently have right now. So it's looking like they have 1,522 pieces of software on here right now. I've seen this up to about 2,500 softwares at one time, and softwares are constantly coming and going. As you can see, the ones that are leaving soon will be labeled right here. But I will come through here and look at like software, and then I like to sort it by like latest. And a lot of times it's funny, a software will actually be out for a couple of weeks. I don't know how they do this filtering, but sometimes a software will come out for a couple of weeks before it actually even makes its way into like the library, if you will. And I don't know how people find out about these softwares and start getting reviews and stuff when I can't even find them on the search engine. If you guys know the answer to that, drop a comment below. But that seems to happen to me sometimes where I can't even find the latest products. And a lot of times looking at here, the latest products, it will be a software that already, like this didn't just come out. Baseline didn't just come out because it has 38 reviews. And I think it's been on here for a couple months now. So I don't really know why it's labeled as the latest. Sometimes you wonder what's going on with the AppSumo site. But nonetheless, I wanted to address a couple things. So when I look through here, there's a million pieces of software that I could review, right? I do a lot of the content writing applications, the AI writers. I know you guys really like those. The SEO tools, keyword research tools, and then content optimization tools. Those are probably the biggest categories of tools that I review. I'd like to review more video type tools as well, video creation, screen recorders, things like that. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of like show you a couple of these. Like when we scroll down here, there's some more AI writers that are hitting the market. So I did my review on this one, and this is kind of a little bit to address the video on this one right here, right? This one's not really doing very well with the ratings, and this isn't because of my review. I didn't put a review on here. Like I said, I don't go and try to bring these applications down. I'm not trying to make an application look bad. I'm just sharing my honest feedback. And you know, there was several people that didn't. I'm sure I got more positive feedback than negative about my kind of I guess you could categorize it as an unfavorable or negative review on Miu. But that was just me being honest, reviewing software. And that was the experience that I had. Of course, there's going to be people, we're going to have all different experiences. People are going to log in to Miu and have a great experience, or they're going to be completely hyper-focused on just the quality of the content. And it may be better than some of the other tools that they've used. I'm looking at it from an entire bird's eye view perspective. The workflow needs to be there. The UI needs to be there. The bugginess needs to be solved. The speed needs to be there. You know, all those things, all the different tools and stuff. And that's how I come up with kind of like how, if I like the tool or not. It might be, my grading might be a little different than yours or your experience, right? So needless to say, I did do that one, and I didn't even intend to, you know, like I didn't think I was going to not like the tool. Of course, I log into these tools and I want to like them. I really want to be like, oh, wow, this is blowing me away. And sometimes that actually happens where like 4 or 5 tools in a row, like I'm like, wow, do I have to buy this tool too? You know, we all kind of have that AppSumo lifetime deal addiction, if you will, buying these tools. I even as a software reviewer on this channel, I have to battle that and practice self-control, not buying all these tools as well. You guys all know what I'm talking about. What the point is that I'm trying to make is we scroll down and let me see. I saw like, okay, here's one right here. InstaCopy. Where the heck did this come from? Now, I will be honest. I think I saw InstaCopy on another site. It might have been PitchGround. Maybe it's not there anymore. So it's right here, InstaCopy. And I don't really know what their terms of service are worked out, but I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have, AppSumo has pretty strict rules. They even have strict rules for their affiliates. like myself, and I guarantee you they have strict rules for the vendors on their site. And when you're looking at someone that just now launched on InstaCopy, now I'm not the kind of person, I'm not going to go and tell my affiliate manager and get this company in trouble or anything, but I'm just trying to say that that's not the right way to start off probably with AppSumo, right? If you're going to come on to AppSumo, this company's trying to double dip on multiple platforms. AppSumo, I believe, wants you to be exclusive. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know the answer to that. I could go and dig or even ask my affiliate manager, but I'm pretty sure you have to be exclusive if you're going to list your product. During the time you're on this platform, you can't post it on other lifetime deal sites. I mean, I'm almost 99.9% sure that that's the case. So right away, I'm kind of like, well, you're on the other platforms. That's already kind of a bad sign. And I just don't really have the best feel for this software right off the bat. Okay, so there's one, that's kind of a point. And then there was one other one. Here's another one, HoppyCopy. I kind of wanted to check this one out. It does have, if it has 19 reviews, and I've let other people kind of already test it out, it's, you know, got some people have something good to say about it. I'll give that one a whirl. But I guess what I'm trying to get at is that I don't want to go and just do these reviews on these softwares, these AI writing softwares, when I just have a feeling that they're not going to be that good. This one looks interesting, actually. I'll open that one up real quick. I'm going to go and type in AI content, and maybe some of them will come up. There's more on here, like even Text Wizard. I haven't done that one. So I'm not even doing all the AI writing tools. WriteMe, here's one, WriteMe. And I went and actually looked at this yesterday, this WriteMe tool, and it just looked kind of like the same platform that I've seen several times. It's almost like maybe there's like a platform that you can buy, you know, where you can buy the core coding for an AI software, because it's like I've seen this before, and I'm just not. Sometimes I look at the software and I'm not as excited about the software. Looking at it, it looks the same as a lot of softwares that I've used before. And then I read some of the feedback and stuff. A ton of people are having a hard time logging into this software and stuff. So, sometimes I skip over and I gloss over, things, and it is intentionally. It's because I'm just not sure it's made its, way to a point where it's even kind of worthy of doing a proper review on, right? So I wanted to kind of just give that insight, from my perspective on some of the tools that I either choose to review or not. You guys give really good suggestions, and I'm possibly going to come up with like a schedule or like a roadmap where I can put all the ideas onto like a roadmap thing where you guys can actually vote for the next review, which actually will be really cool because it's a way to interact with you guys. It's a way that you guys can actually have somewhat of a say-so in the content that I'm producing or the softwares that I'm taking a look at. And it tells me what you guys really are looking for. So you guys, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that like button. It really helps out LearnWire. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and leave a comment below and say, yes, a product roadmap or like a review list roadmap would be super cool. I don't know how I'd come up with it or what tool I would use, but leave a comment below that you made it to the end of the video and that you also are interested in me doing like a roadmap, product roadmap type thing. I've seen one other YouTuber do it, and it seems like it would be the right fit for this kind of content in this channel. So you guys, if you guys want to actually be able to, like, you know, I'll send the link out in every description, and it'll say, you know, choose the next video or something like that. And you guys can go in there and actually have a live kind of roadmap voting system. And you guys will always kind of know what video is coming out next, and you'll be able to vote on that content. And as you guys add, you know, ideas in the comments, or I just keep like a spreadsheet list. I'm not able to get to everything you guys request, but I usually do. But I'll be able to add those to the list. So Then you guys can sift through the list and then like vote on what you want next or something like that. So just kind of an idea, but certainly there's a lot of the AI content writing tools on here, and they're not all that great. And now that we have such great tools, like, I mean, I could just list them all. And I also planned on doing kind of a, you guys are kind of asking, what tools do I actually use in my business? What are my favorite tools, AI writing tools, and all that stuff. So I'll be coming up with a video like that soon as well. But there you go. Here's another one right here too. So they've obviously been on the platform before. They just now came back is what it looks like. It's 112 reviews. It has pretty good reviews. I would expect it to be a little bit higher, but I did go check this tool out, Linguix or whatever, writing assistant. It's a Grammarly alternative. And the deal is that this is really, you know, when you look at Grammarly, a couple of those top tools, this is a really hard tool to like Grammarly is going to be extremely hard to compete with. And there's such a technical skill set and development that has to happen in order to actually grade people's writing and grammar. And I saw a lot of stuff in here where people were saying that the tool actually suggests wrong grammar, things like that. So like when I see that, whether it's true or not, like it doesn't make me want to review the tool that much, right? And I've already used Grammarly and a couple other ones. And so if this tool isn't going to be up to par on that one, because that one already gets enough critique as it is, Grammarly, then I definitely don't think that this is a Grammarly killer or, you know, better than Grammarly. But if you guys like this tool right here, you guys can leave in the comment too and just say Linguix if you actually want me to review that tool or not. But for $59, never have to pay again. But, you know, it's kind of hard to beat Grammarly if you're going to grade your content with Grammarly before you like post it onto your website or something like that. So anyways, I just wanted to get that out there. There is a lot of tools on AppSumo right now. I would never be able to review them all. And so I think that coming up with something that actually gives you guys kind of a choice where you guys can actually maybe write some tools that you guys want me to check out. And then you can also vote on some. I'll have a nice list for you guys. So leave a comment below if that's something that you guys want me to do, like implement, which I think would be pretty cool. So thanks for joining me in this video. Just wanted to kind of just give you guys a little bit of a what's going on in my thought process with like the content creation and the ones that I review, the products that I choose to review. So thanks. Hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.